Welcome to Howdy Reviews. We are going to open the box, assemble, and try out an Earthquake K32 chipper shredder. It snowed today, so I'm opening the box indoors. The K32 is a solid 131-pound package. The first parts out are manuals and the bag support rod. Then the bag of hardware parts and the hopper guard flap. They even included a 20-ounce bottle of 1030 oil. The motor will need just about 17 ounces. The hopper handle, then the camera gave up while I wrestled the main assembly out. While one person can do this, it would have been easier with two. Many parts were inside the hopper. First part to install is a kickstand. 4 bolts. Everything is metric, so you will want a set of metric wrenches and sockets. At least 8, 10, and 13. All the nuts are Nyloc type, so even if things vibrate loose, they don't fall apart. Next on are the wheels. Just slide them on, washer and cotter pin. Then it is ready to stand on its own. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. That helps us help others just like you. Here's a quick peek at the branch chipper, then a look down the hopper at the shredder. The branch chipper cone goes on with 3 Nyloc nuts. Slide in the hopper damper. Keep this closed unless you are using the shredder. The hopper has 2 protective plates to remove that are not used in the assembly. The front plate slides out of slots. The back plate must be unbolted. Slide the front slots of the hopper over the damper and under the front stud plate nuts. Then insert the rear stud plate under the back hopper holes and tighten all the nuts. It is starting to look like a chipper. Install the handle with 4 bolts. This is a good reason to keep the damper shut. If you drop something, it won't go into the bowels of the shredder where it would be hard to get out. They forgot to include instructions for installing the hopper guard, but there are 3 holes and 3 bolts, plus a drawing of the finished assembly, so it's easy to figure out. It is a little hard to reach under the flap to see what you are doing. Push the cone cover bead into the lower hole, then snap into the upper slot. attach the bag support rod. Then thread the bag hooks on the rod and turn the bag locking ring onto the connector. Open the oil filler and add the required amount of oil. The included oil bottle may have more oil than your engine will hold. A flexible oil funnel is included in the package. Check the oil level, then make sure the oil cap is secure. Add the recommended fuel. The fuel cap has a retainer so the cap does not fall in the dirt and then transfer dirt into your fuel tank. Set the choke, set the throttle, turn on the ignition, confirm the fuel valve is open, then give a firm pull on the starter. It takes a hard pull because you are spinning the flywheel in addition to the engine. It started right up. Set the choke to run and throttle to high to let it warm a bit. Let's try some sticks in the shredder. It can handle sticks up to 1/2 inch thick. The snow is still out, so I don't have lighter material to shred. Turn off the ignition and it takes a while for the weight of the flywheel to stop. Now let's open the bag and see how well it shreds. Not much more here than chainsaw sawdust. Let's try the chipper side now. It can handle branches up to about 3 inches, but we'll start with small ones and work up. Branches need to be straight enough to fit through the guide cone. Gravity in the chipper will pull the branch in. Add thicker branches. They can be ejected as the chipper blade hits them. Just feed them back in. The biggest branch is about 3 inches, but it isn't straight on one end, so turn it around and feed it in again. Let's open the bag and see how the chipper did. Mostly small bits mixed with broken shreds. Just a thing for a compost pile to make mulch. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to help others. Subscribe if you would like to see what else we may be doing. If you need help pruning branches for the chipper, check out this video of a cordless lopper, or this video of a cordless chainsaw.